Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this little project called Stream MySQL to MongoDB with Go. And as the name implies, it's a little project where I show you how to stream changes from the MySQL database to MongoDB database. To do that, I set up a proof of concept environment using the library go-mysql, which is shown here. It's a very nice library. You should definitely check it out, okay? So what's going on here? I have set up this Docker Compose YAML file where I configure a MongoDB server, a MySQL server, and this is the main application, the MySQL consumer. This is the one. This is the Go application, which I import the go-mysql library, and which is responsible from reading the bin log events from the MySQL server and acting upon that. And actually in the event handler, I have implemented this functionality of reading the changes and writing to a new collection in the MongoDB server. So we have also these two containers, MySQL CLI and MongoDB Fetcher, which are only help utilities, okay? We are gonna use that throughout the demo to interact with the proof of concept environment. But the important part happens here inside the MySQL consumer application. You can come here, MySQL consumer /app main.go. You can see that we connect to the MySQL server, and on every row update, the go-mysql library calls this event handler here, and we read the rows and write them to the MongoDB collection here. Okay, so if you want to change that and store the changes into a Elasticsearch server, it's 100% possible using this same implementation here. Well, you only need to change this loop here, okay, and store wherever you want. Okay, so let's actually run the demo here. First thing first, let's clone the repository. Okay, let's cd into the new directory. Let's start the two regular servers, the MySQL server and the MongoDB servers. They are brand new servers, no tables, no collections. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to create an empty MySQL table with fixtures, 3 records, so we can play with them. Okay, database not initialized. It takes a few seconds to the MySQL server to be ready, so you can wait a few seconds and try again. Okay, not yet. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay, MySQL ready for startup. Okay, I think it's okay. Initialized mydb.mytable. Okay, so now we have a empty MongoDB server, and we have a table inside MySQL with 3 rows. We can use this help utility that I told you before to see what's inside the MongoDB server. Okay, results from my MongoDB.myMongo collection, empty. Okay, nothing there. Now we're going to start the MySQL consumer application, which is the one that I have shown you. This application is a daemon, which is going to stay running continuously, reading events from the bin log event from the MySQL server and acting upon those events. In my case, I act upon that event, writing the changes to the MongoDB collection. So if we run, okay, so pay attention here. I have 3 open tabs here. The first one, I'm running MySQL server and MongoDB server. This second tab, I left the MySQL consumer application running, and this is a new tab which I'm gonna show you again the contents from MongoDB collection now. Okay, now we have 3 values, so the same 3 values that were inserted into MySQL using the command MySQL CLI init. Now that I have started this MySQL consumer daemon, all the values were automatically written to the MongoDB collection. Okay, so apparently everything is working, but let's play around a little bit with this lab here. Okay, so we are inserting 3 new values, 3 new records into the MySQL server. And let's see what's happened to the MongoDB collection. Okay, all the records are here. So I'm running a SQL command, SQL query perhaps, and all the changes are immediately reflected into a MongoDB collection. It's actually pretty cool. We can run custom operations here. Okay, so we can actually query the my table from MySQL. It's here, and we can use the MongoDB fetcher to compare the results. So everything is working. Okay, let's check if updates work as well. So I have just updated the MySQL table. I have changed this number 2 here to the string 2. Okay, and let's see MongoDB fetcher. Okay, it updated accordingly. Nice. And now let's delete some records. Actually, only 1 record. Okay, let's check the MySQL database. Okay, the record's not here anymore. ID 4, it's gone. And MongoDB fetcher. Okay, it's not here anymore. So everything is working fine. It's a very nice project that you can improve and extend to your needs. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Okay, bye bye.